I wanted to make another quick video to let you know about the latest tax refund update by the IRS and cover some recent questions I received. If you're an individual and you're still waiting for your IRS tax refund, then please keep watching. Later on, I'll answer the question, can you sue the IRS if you don't receive your tax refund? Hi, I'm Noel Lorenzana and I'm an accountant. If you want to see more videos like this one, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. According to the latest IRS News Bulletin, updated August 6, 2021, the IRS is open and processing mail, tax returns, payments, refunds, and correspondences. However, it continues to cause delays in some of their services. These services include live phone support, processing tax returns filed on paper, answering mail from taxpayers, reviewing tax returns, even for returns filed electronically. The IRS is opening mail within normal timeframes, and that all paper and electronic individual tax returns received prior to April 2021 have been processed. That is, if the return had no errors or did not require further review. So if your refund is delayed, then your return either had errors or requires manual review. As of July 31st, the IRS had 13.8 million unprocessed individual returns. Their previous update indicated 15.6 million unprocessed individual returns. So they are working quickly to get through the backlog. As covered in my last video, the additional processing does not require the IRS to correspond with taxpayers, but does require special handling by an IRS employee. So in these instances, it's taking more than the usual 21 days to issue any related refunds, and in some cases, this additional processing work could take an additional 90 to 120 days, according to the IRS. The IRS is continuing to reroute tax returns and taxpayer correspondences from locations that are behind to locations where more staff is available. I don't want to repeat what I covered in my previous August update, so I'll link it above in case you haven't seen it. Let's go over some recent questions I've received regarding tax refund delays. Does the IRS really pay interest on delayed tax refunds? Yes, they actually do. The IRS allows themselves 45 days to process your refund. During that time, they won't pay you interest. If their processing takes more than 45 days, then they are required to pay you interest on your refund at a current annual interest rate of 3%. Do keep in mind that the interest income you receive is taxable income, and you would need to report that on your next year's tax return. What if I didn't receive my stimulus payments? If you didn't receive your first or second stimulus payment, you should have claimed that on your 2020 income tax return by completing the Recovery Rebate Credit worksheet as shown here. This credit carries over to line 30 of Form 1040. So if you're not sure if you claimed the missed stimulus payments, look for the worksheet and look at line 30 of your Form 1040. Can I sue the IRS if I don't receive my refund? I actually didn't know the answer to this and had to do some research. Yes, you can actually sue the IRS for your tax refund. According to the Taxpayer Bill of Rights, which is a cornerstone document that highlights the 10 fundamental rights taxpayers have when dealing with the IRS. If you fully paid the tax and the IRS denies your tax refund claim, or if the IRS takes no action on your claim within 6 months, then you may file a refund lawsuit. You can file a lawsuit in the United States District Court or the United States Court of Federal Claims. I don't have any personal experience with this, so if someone knows about this firsthand, please let us know in the comments. I think a lot of us would love to sue the IRS. I'll link the information in the description below. One last tip from one of my subscribers, Zen Brewer. He recommends emailing your representative in Congress and informing them that you want your taxes expedited because of a hardship. He did just this and actually received a call the next day along with a letter on congressional letterhead to provide to the IRS demanding that they expedite his refund processing. The results are still pending, but it sounds like a great plan of action. I feel that your congressional representative should be informed anyway, since their branch of government created this mess we're all suffering from. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. If you have a question, leave a comment below. My name's Noel. I help people who don't have their own personal accountant by answering not so common money, business, and tax questions. Let me know in the comments if there's a topic you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.